Yeah, so here's a bit of good old Australian multiculturalism. You've got a female convict cichlid breeding with a male blue-eyed cichlid. So you can see the female guarding the babies quite vigorously, and then the male guards the territory. So she's decided to breed with this blue eye, even though there's a pair of convicts here as well, and they'll be breeding too. These fish breed like crazy. So they'd be starting to, yeah, no, they're breeding as well. So we've got a separate set of babies just in here as well. So those convicts are breeding and these ones are breeding. Very cool to watch. You can see them grab them in their mouth and take them back to the pack. So this tank's full of lots of other hungry fish that would love to eat those babies. And many of the babies in reality will get eaten. But some of them are very likely to survive. They'll get in amongst things like that plant. See what the catfish is going to try and do. So these babies will be valueless because nobody wants a crossbred cichlid in Australia because it waters down the strains that we've got. So these babies are basically feeder fish. You can see how aggressively they're defending their territory. This blue-eyed cichlid doesn't look purebred either. So we've got to do everything we can to disencourage crossbreeding of fish in Australia because we don't want to water our strains down in cases like this. We've got a blue-eyed cichlid that's potentially got a bit of convict in it anyway, breeding with a convict. He's going to produce babies that look just like convicts but are not convicts. So that's why the babies must not be sold or grown out, because it'll water down our species that we have here. You'll notice that even that little female convict is able to chase these much bigger fish away. When they're fighting with a cause, they seem to be indestructible.